What are you doing, Daddy?
Just getting out a beef head.
And did you just pick this beef head up off the side of the road, or what?
I sure did.
No, he didn't.
No. Come out of our own livestock. We got just enough to do this and make them pay for themselves currently. Because my purpose to having my own livestock is not to have to buy a whole lot of beef to eat. Because we do like beef.
We do.
I can't get you to eat much else some days.
Yeah, I do my best.
Yeah.
I've made progress.
Yeah. Okay, here's my sales pitch. Get yourself a good Montana Knife Company knife.
I was going to remark that this seems to be going much more smoothly than last time.
Well, I have learned quite a bit since last time on sharpening knives and some good quality knives. Don't get me wrong, the other knives that I used for years worked and they were decent. They weren't a bad knife, but these apparently are way superior because look at how that meat is staying. I'm able to get it away.
Yeah, it's really coming off clean, which I would imagine the head is not the easiest thing to cape out like that, right?
Take some practice, and I've been caping some deer heads for practice. And I've caped some pig heads, and I haven't done any lambs yet.
We eat a lot of meat.
We eat a lot of meat.
We also eat a lot of high quality, local, sustainably harvested meat, though. But most of what we eat is stuff that we process, or that William processes. I really can't take too much credit. Although, I think I will make a video of me making the bone broth out of this guy.
Well, you're only going to have what soup bones you get since we didn't keep the leg bone, the bottom half of the leg bones. We didn't keep them because it just rained like crazy and there's mud everywhere. So I wasn't really able to keep them as clean as I should have.
Well,
so the dog got them.
Yeah.
And she's going to be spending lots of time in her kennel over the next couple of days because we're busy this weekend. So she has plenty of treats in there.
And then what's your plan for this meat? Normally, in mainstream society, a head would just be wasted. But what's your plan?
Throw it in some kind of slow cooker and slow cook it down and break all that muscle tissue down. And you can have really good tacos or burrito bowls or something to that nature.
Yeah. Often, like a food truck will have cabeza, which is head meat.
Yeah, because it's tough because all these overdeveloped muscles for chewing. And we have the tongue.
Yes, Clara's favorite.
We are going to smoke the tongue.
Oh, really?
Along with the heart.
You want to update us on the current state of affairs here?
That's dog food. That's going to be dinner. Not tonight, though.
No. Looks pretty good, though. And then what is that?
This is the inside of the cheek. Of the jawbone.
They have a dirty mouth.
This piece actually came from this side. But it's the same, because here's the piece that came from the other side.
Ah, gotcha.
And I'm just trimming it up now, so I don't have to trim it later. So.
Good looking beef. Cabeza. I give you slow cooked cabeza over a nice wood fire. It's been on there all day, simmering away, and it is tender and gonna be fabulous. So let's see, how did I make this? First I browned these chunks in garlic olive oil, And then I added some onion and garlic and cumin and chili powder and kosher salt. And then I added a jar of green chili verde style sauce. And it's been on there for probably pushing 5 hours now. The head meat does take a long time to break down, so you do have to plan ahead a little bit if you're gonna cook it, but gonna be pretty tasty tacos in just a little while. Farm to fork, yum.